Well everyone, welcome to our cauliflower rice recipe. Look at this stuff. Honestly, it is fluffy, it's bloody delicious, and I think you can't go wrong with this recipe. I've seen a lot of recipes, and basically that just got me to the point where I realised I needed to make my own one because no one was doing it the right way. It was always ending up in mushy rice. No one likes mushy rice. G'day guys, it's Chris here, and today I am going to show you how to make the fastest, most delicious, most fluffy and not mushy cauliflower rice that you've ever seen. Alright, it does not take very long. Get stuck into it. It is awesome. You can use it for the base of so many other recipes. It's not funny. Honestly, it's some of the greatest stuff. It's low carb, it's keto, it's bloody good, it's saving you from smashing down big bowls of actual rice. So get stuck into it, enjoy it, make sure you like, subscribe and share our channel if you can. I really appreciate it, it helps heaps, and make sure your mates don't miss out on these recipes. Thank you very much, I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, first thing to go is the rabbit food. Get rid of the green stuff. Don't worry too much about the core, it's going to be fine, it's going to get blended up anyway. Chop these bad boys into nice even chunks, roughly even, it doesn't have to be super even, because we're going to blend them. We don't want any big chunks getting stuck while we're blending it, so yeah, give it a good chop. Nice sharp knife helps a lot. We're going to have to do this in batches, so you're not going to blend it all at once, just make sure they're nicely chopped up, and we're going to start putting them in the blender. Alright, so blender, cauliflower in. Don't fill it up too much, guys. You want a bit of space in there for it to bounce around so it can be chopped up. Alright, give it a few pulses, bit of a shake here and there, and then we're going to have a look and make sure that it's at the right consistency that we want. If it's not, make sure you give it a bit more blending, and then we're going to pour it in our bowl. Look at that. This, guys, looks perfect. It's about ricey consistency, and we're going to put it in the bowl, finish up the rest of it. Guys, this is some of the most versatile bloody stuff for low carb that you can ever have. Cauliflower rice, you can make fried rice Asian style, you can do it at the base of a curry for Indian style, you can do Moroccan stuffed peppers, which we've done on the channel here. There's so many different ways you can use this cauliflower rice that are all delicious. It soaks up the juice and the gravy as much as anything else, and it's fantastic. So have a look at this. This is what we're after. The consistency that is pretty much rice, and that's what we're trying to make, so get around it. We're going to whack a lid on, then we're going to put him in the microwave for 6 minutes. Don't put any water in. Let it do its own thing, right? So there's plenty of moisture in the cauliflower itself. Let it steam itself, alright? Because if you don't, you're going to end up with mushy rice. No one likes mushy rice. See how much steam's coming out of there? Give that a nice bit of a stir. Have a look at it. It's honestly the most fluffy, bloody stuff in the world. It tastes amazing, and you can do so much with it. I think it's well worthwhile getting around the old cauliflower rice. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. If you don't, your mates will miss out on it, and that will suck.